if I'm down, turn it up loud, zooming on me from the crowd. Now that you're jumping the gun, spoiling my fun. Hop on my heels when I'm done. I don't know why you keep falling, you put on a show, but I see that the colors inside. We only here for the ride, made up my mind. You wanna cream with a crop, see what I got, already turning it up. Now that you're jumping the gun, spoiling my fun. Hop on my heels when I'm done. I don't know why you keep falling, you put on a show, but I see that the colors inside. We only here for the ride, made up my mind. You be popping bottles, getting pretty close and nice, tripping, taking a mess, turn the tables overnight. See you keep switching faces like the famous, like the live. You're popping the bottles for what? You're popping the bottles for what? You be popping bottles, getting pretty close and nice, tripping, taking a mess, turn the tables overnight. See you keep switching faces like the famous, like the live. You're popping the bottles for what? You're popping the bottles for what? You wanna see if I'm down, turn it up loud, zooming on me from the crowd. Now that you're jumping the gun, spoiling my fun. Hop on my heels when I'm done. I don't know why you keep falling, you put on a show, but I see all the colors inside. We only here for the ride, made up my mind. You wanna cream of the crop, see what I got, already turning it up. Now that you're jumping the gun, spoiling my fun. Hop on my heels when I'm done. I don't know why you keep falling, you put on a show, but I see all the colors inside. We only here for the ride, made up my mind. You be popping bottles, getting fitted, glass and nice, tripping, talking a mess, turn the tables overnight. See you keep switching faces like the famous, like the live. You're popping the bottles for what? You're popping the bottles for what? You be popping bottles, getting fitted, glass and nice, tripping, talking a mess, turn the tables overnight. See you keep switching faces like the famous, like the live. You're popping the bottles for what? You're popping the bottles for what? You be popping bottles, getting pretty close and nice, tripping, taking a mess, turn the tables overnight. See you keep switching faces like the famous, like the live. You're popping the bottles for what? You're popping the bottles for what?
Someone tell me how did I get here? I can't even look myself in the mirror. Someone tell me how did I get here? I keep on running from something, I keep on running. I can't even look myself in the mirror. I keep on running from something, I keep on running. I keep on running from something, I keep on running. I keep on running from something, I keep on running. I keep on running from something, I keep on running.
I feel this pressure been building up, yeah, I feel it in my bones. I feel the weight of every choice I'm making when it's set in stone. I wanna leave a mark and show them that I'm coming from the heart. This is everything I have and I'm still chasing down that spark. Yeah, that hunger back when I was 15. Music was my only way out and nobody did believe. But I knew I had to show them, leave them all in disbelief. Up until there's no denying everything that I've achieved. So I'm saying like, I am not somebody you can plot against. Every move you make against me, I will make the opposite. I'll be turning all of their opinions into compliments. Never had the confidence, but now I'm stepping up, I'm shining light in your incompetence. I am not one of these rappers that in 5 years when I'm at her, I will not leave it to chatter. I'm dictating every conversation. This ain't an album, it's just practice and dedication. Yeah, it's finally working out, making all these different sounds, tearing out my heart on every page. It's time I let it out. Used to be so scared to be the specific, but if I don't give in, then nobody would ever listen. It's my fate, so I'ma take it to the grave. What you want written on your gravestone? Were you great? Were you fake? Were you never know? Did you leave a legacy or did you follow every trend? Would you let some people hate you? Would you try to make amends? What you want written on your gravestone? Were you great? Were you fake? Were you never know?